Hello friends, today I am going to take lecture on share and dividend. Now I will take all questions from Selena textbook now, and you want definition, notes and formula of this chapter, kindly comment your email address in comment box. Now I will make video one question at a one time, so you can easily understand the questions and all the basic terms. First of all, simply I define some small terms so that you can easily understand. First is face value of share. Face value of share. Now, what is face value of share? Now, what is face value of share? Simply face value of share is a simply we can say that MRP of share, which is a fixed, never change. Then MRP of share we call face value of share. MRP of share. Now, second term is always we know that market value or MV or face value also called nominal value. Now, what is market value? Market value is calculated depend on sometimes premium or sometimes discounts. Suppose if I go DMart or some big bazaar, I will get discount, or sometimes in crisis I will get hike price. So the market value depends on two terms, that is premium and discount. Now market value, now in premium we have to add premium amount in face value, or in discount we have to subtract the amount of discount from the face value. Now first term is face value or nominal value of the share, I will define. Second term is market value. Now third term is annual dividend or rate, annual dividend or annual income. Now annual dividend जो है ना, simply annual dividend, annual dividend. Now annual dividend given by company to shareholders मीन्स सपोज कोई कंपनी को प्रॉफिट होता है तो कंपनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है अपनी जितनी प्रॉफिट है, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज है 15%, 20% टू द शेयर होल्डर्स. तो एनुअल डिविडेंड एंड एनुअल इनकम बोथ आर सेम. I will give some formula, only 4 to 5 formula in this chapter you have to require. Now first formula is number of share. Number of share equal to total investment upon market value of share. Now, so what is total investment formula then? Same, total investment equal to number of share into market value. Now then let us start first question. I will give you more formula, depends on the questions simply. Now what is first question given? How much money will be required to buy 400 then comma 12 rupees 50 paise at premium of 1 rupee? Now in this question we have to understand all the terms. How much money will required to buy 400 means what is 400? 400 is a number of share, and then 12 rupees 50 paise is face value of share, and premium of 1 rupees. 1 rupees is amount of premium. Understand? Whenever in question number 100, 200 and rupees is not mentioned before the number, then that's the number of shares. So first, what is given? Number of share. Number of share is 400, face value is 12.50 and premium. Then what is market value then? Market value simply face value plus premium. Now what we get? Market value 13.50. Now what we have to calculate how much money means we have to calculate total investment. And what is the formula of total investment? Total investment formula is the number of share into market value of the share. This is the formula, total investment equal to number of share into market value. Simply we have to multiply, and this what we get, 5400 rupees. Now this is the first question. Next video on question number 2. So thank you friend.